What's up guys, welcome back to another motovlog. So today I just got off from my gym. I just worked out, so I just went home, got ready, took a shower. So but yeah, today there is a bike meetup, a bike show, usually a meetup. So this time it's gonna be the same shop from last time. It's gonna be the toy shop. So right now I'm getting on the highway. Hopefully the wind is not too much. But yeah guys, I'm heading over right now for just a little bit. Then I'll be heading back home so I can work on some videos. So I'll talk to you guys when I get off on the highway. So alright guys, so right now I am getting off from the highway. I know it really sucks trying to motovlog on the highway. The helmet is just gonna rumble too much, and it's just a lot of wind. But yeah guys, so like I was saying, going to a bike show or bike meetup. They're raffling off a piece of gear. So it's the same shop like I said from last year. So I was thinking about going, not even going, but one of my old like bosses, I used to actually heading over. So I'm gonna meet up with him just for a bit, just hang out. And plus I want to head over too because there's a bike they just got to in stock. It's a used bike, but I want to see it in person, sit on it, because I am looking forward to buying a bike. So but yeah guys, stay tuned to see that video, what kind of bike I like and what kind of bike that I'm planning to get. So it'll be interesting. But you'll be able to see it when I'm heading over, when I get there. So it'll be the first thing I do. I'll head in and look at the bike. But yeah guys, I was gonna say, if you gotten this far, if you like this kind of content, motovlogs, DIYs, anything on R3, subscribe, like the videos, hit the notification bell so you get notified for the following videos. So I have a lot of content coming up, so stay tuned for that. But yeah guys, let me head actually it looks like probably another 3-4 minutes I'll get there. So I'll show you exactly what bike it is. So I'm just, like I said, I'm gonna be there for just a bit, hang out, look at the bike, look who's there. And there's actually free food, but I got food at home. I'm gonna head over, prepare it and eat it. So but you guys, alright guys, here we are, the toy shop. They actually expanded the inside, so it's a lot bigger from the previous last year. So alright guys, stay tuned. I'll figure out a spot, and then bike washers too. Alright guys, so I'm here. Let me get my stuff into the bag. I don't want to leave my gear out here. Ooh, how's it going? Alright, where's the bike? Where's the bike? Did they move it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Alright guys, there it is. That's the bike I'm looking at. This is the 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 1,000 with the ABS. So when I was looking at the website, it has the frame sliders, stock exhaust. The miles, I think it said like 4,000. I think it wasn't much. I think it was like a 19. It was a lot less. I said probably like 4,000 or less, because it looked like someone was riding it for quite a bit. But yeah, so this is the bike. It might be a new one or a used one. So, but overall, I like the actual, like the 2019, the 2020, and then 2021 cluster, because it's all digital. The new these are just like it's still digital, but I like the new ones. It shows you a little bit more. But yeah guys, I'm gonna look at the bike and sit on it, just enjoy the show today, and yeah, I'll be right back guys. Alright guys, so there we go. I'm just leaving the show right now. So I think around 8:30ish they're gonna raffle off the prize. I'll post it up right here, a picture of it. It's literally worth $700, whoever wins it. It's literally new. The actual there's a vendor at the location right now talking about it, if people want to know exactly what it is. So they're giving one of those away, so you just have to get into the raffle. I think it's not that expensive either. It's like, I think $5. So, but yeah, it's there's a lot of people heading over there right now. Usually last year was a lot more busier when I got there, but I did get there around 8 o'clock, so like around this time. But right now it is 8:30. I am leaving because I still need to head home, eat, but it's literally gonna take me at least a half hour to prepare my food, so that's gonna suck. But you guys, so you saw the bike I want to get. If it's gonna be that one or at least a newer one, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah guys, I'm heading off to the highway. I'll catch you when I'm getting off. The wind is gonna be way too much to try to talk over. Alright guys, I just got off the highway and I actually took out the ND filters because it's kind of getting too dark, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see any footage from this, but hopefully now it's okay. But yeah guys, if you gotten this far, thanks for watching. I know it was not a long video, it's just a small little motor vlog, just going over showing a little bit of the area of the bike. Should have gone a little bit more, but it's just a little motor vlog that I wanted to do. I was not even gonna do nothing, but yeah guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. I'll be in the comment section talking to you guys. So guys, thanks for watching.